Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Danish filling. Let's start by gathering our essential ingredients. You will need about 1 pound of your favorite fruit, such as cherries or apples, along with sugar, water, and a thickening agent like cornstarch. This simple combination forms the delicious base for your pastries. We will guide you through each step to ensure a perfect, flavorful result every time. Next, prepare your chosen fruit. If using fresh cherries, wash and pit them thoroughly. For apples, peel, core, and dice them into small, uniform pieces. If you are using frozen fruit, ensure it is fully thawed. Gently mash about 1/4 of the fruit to help release its natural juices, which will contribute to a richer flavor and better consistency in your filling. Now, combine your prepared fruit with about 1/2 cup of granulated sugar in a medium saucepan. In a separate small bowl, whisk together 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with 1/4 cup of cold water to form a smooth slurry. Pour this slurry into the fruit mixture. Cook over medium heat, stirring constantly, until the filling thickens to a beautiful, spoonable consistency, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Once your Danish filling has reached the perfect thickness, remove it from the heat and allow it to cool completely at room temperature. This cooling process is crucial for the filling to set properly. Once cooled, transfer it to an airtight container. You can refrigerate this delightful homemade filling for up to 1 week. It is perfect for pastries, tarts, or even as a topping for ice cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.